Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this poster. This is super durable, it is well made, it is waterproof, and it also is not fading. So you can hang this outside, you can hang this pretty much anywhere you want, and it'll stay true to its color. Overall, I am very impressed with the resolution on this image. I had a pretty small image, they blew it up to great size, and it looks phenomenal. Overall, this just feels amazing. It's kind of like this fabric, thick material, so it wouldn't be easy to tear. You can hang this wherever you want and not have to worry about it getting damaged at all. Just taking a closer look at the quality. Very nice, super clear. Great for businesses, great for anyone that just wants to do some kind of promotional awareness for different campaigns or something, or someone who just wants to put like a big picture of maybe their pets, maybe something personal to them. This will work great for that. Overall, highly recommend. Thanks for watching.